Jesus through example, the Father, the vine, seeking fruits of Spirit, your love to be mine. As the Father has loved you, so you love me too. I remain in thee, you remain in me. How to really know you, to please you I yearn, longing for the fruits of your love in return. Spending time with you alone, seeking love divine, bearing fruit to glorify, fruiting from the vine. Loving God, please shape me to serve you, I pray. Holy Spirit, guide me, connect every day. I am nothing without you, seek your works to do. God of grace above, God of endless love, make me feel integral as part of the vine. May the fruit of your love with mine intertwine. Feel the love you offer me, pray your will to do. May I see what Jesus gives, follow and please you. Loving God, connect me, may your love be mine. With the fruits of your love we share from